Should you guys are not able to come in to see us to soak off your nails and you guys want to maintain healthy nails during a little break at home, this is available for you. This kit can soak off both manicure gel polish and dipping polish, and it's super easy and it's fun at home when you guys do it. Just roughen it up, remove the shine. So this way, just break the top coat. This way your cotton ball that's soaked in acetone can penetrate and break up the products. So take your nail file, which is included in your kit, rough up the shiny on your nail, get a cotton ball, soak it in acetone. Be liberal with the acetone amount. We give you 5 pounds with your kit. And then wrap it on the nail. Are you seeing it? Is this focus? Or should we do this? Can you see that? Damn, the cotton ball. There you go, much better. You have bigger nail, get a bigger cotton ball. And then the kits will come with a foil wrap. Just wrap it. See that little finger? You can see it. They focus. And then we have these gloves for you. After you wrap all 10 fingers, you put it in, just like we do at the salon. You know how it's done. And then you can watch TV, hang out with your family. Just take it off like nail polish. So here's how it goes. Just remove the wrap. Maybe after 15 minutes, check up on it. Just remove the wrap. Maybe after 15 minutes, check up on it. If you can hear me, I hope you can hear me. If not, if you have any questions, just comment and I'll get to the comment. With the dipping powder, all you have to do is erase it. Just kind of scrub off, and dipping powder should melt away. Just like you removing nail polish. This is just pretend, okay? I don't have any acetone on this. I'm just pretending. And then if there's any product or residue left on the nail bed, just lightly file the product away and you'll be good to go. And there's gonna be a little buffer here too. Use the buffer and a nail file. Just shape your nail however you wish and like. Trim it and then buff it. And then you can use just a base coat, nail polish, and then a top coat. Oops, shoot. Top coat. And then cuticle oil when your nails are nice and dry. And these are all included in your kit. And it's $20, so stop by and pick it up.